Hello my friends, it's Traci Penrod with Artsy Albums, and today I've got a really fun tutorial to share with you. It's going to be a 5x5 size mini album, and it comes in a cute, adorable little box. So this is a Lori Whitlock file called 5x5 album in a box, and I'm also using the brand new Doodlebug collection called Lucky Me. So the file itself, the cutting file, is an SVG file that comes with the pieces to make the actual box. It comes with the pieces to make the album, and then it also comes with files to cut out all of the pattern papers that you'll need. This one, as you can see, has a little notch cut out, and that will fit very nicely on the front side of the box, and then there's another piece that'll fit on the back side of the box. We'll get those assembled here in a second. One thing I wanted to point out about these three, I don't know if you could tell very well, but these are actually going to make the album and actually make the pages inside the album. And the file has a score lines and little holes for ribbon. But notice that the files, when you cut them out, the spines are different sizes. This is so that they can nest inside of each other. So this is the largest one. So you'll want to, when you get everything assembled with the pattern papers, that one is going to nest nicely right inside that. And then the smallest one, or the smallest spine, will nest